Let me guess. You opened Blender, looked at the interface, and thought, yeah, there's no way I'm learning this. Too many buttons, too many tutorials, too many people saying just practice without explaining how. But here's the truth most 3D artists won't tell you. You're not slow, you're just learning the wrong way. And in this video, I'll show you the fastest way to learn 3D without burning out, rage quitting, or feeling stupid. By the end of this video, you'll know what not to learn first, the one rule that cuts learning time in half, and the exact mindset shift that turns chaos into progress. But there's one step in this process that almost everyone skips, and skipping it is why most people quit 3D forever. I'll get to that in a second. Before we talk about software, tools, or tutorials, you need to understand why 3D feels overwhelming in the first place. Because once you see it, everything suddenly becomes manageable. Here's the real problem. Most beginners try to learn everything at once. Modeling, texturing, lighting, animation, rendering, nodes, shortcuts, add-ons. That's like trying to learn how to cook by memorizing the entire restaurant menu. Your brain doesn't need more information. It needs a simple path, and the fastest learners all follow the same rule. The golden rule for learning 3D fastest is to jump into small projects right away after a quick software overview. This builds skills through doing, not just watching endless tutorials. Focus on recalling tools from memory to make real progress. Watch 1 to 2 intro tutorials for basics. Then pick a simple object, like a cup, and model it fully. Add materials, lights, and render. Repeat with new projects to force learning every software step. Skip figuring out tools alone. Use tutorials for speed. Don't just follow guides. Pause and rebuild from scratch without peeking. This turns short-term memory into real skill. Spend 80% of time on projects, 20% on tutorials or forums. Start mini daily goals like model a phone today to immerse and grow fast. Frustration early means your brain is wiring new paths. Learn just enough to finish one small project. Not a masterpiece, not something portfolio-worthy, just finished. Because completion does two powerful things. It gives your brain confidence. It creates a mental map of how 3D actually works. Progress doesn't come from watching tutorials. It comes from finishing ugly projects. Step 1. Pick one outcome. Don't say, I want to learn Blender. Say, I want to make a simple 3D room. I want to animate a bouncing logo. I want to model a basic product. One outcome, one goal. Choose a clear, single goal like model a realistic car or light a product scene. This keeps you from feeling lost. Narrow goals speed up progress. This makes every action count toward real results. Vague goals slow you down by spreading effort thin. Step 2. Learn only what that outcome requires. If your goal is a 3D room, you don't need character rigging, geometry nodes, physics simulations. You only need basic modeling, simple materials, one light, one camera. Ignore everything else. This alone removes 80% of the overwhelm. Break your outcome into 3 to 5 must-know parts. 4. Model a coffee mug. Learn basic cylinder tool, loop cuts for handle, bevel edges, and quick smooth shade. Search YouTube for Blender exact skill. Watch 5 to 10 minutes max per part. Do not just watch. Open Blender and apply each piece now. If you mess up your work, fix it fast. Skip fancy add-ons or full courses. They add noise. Aim to hit your outcome in 1 to 2 hours total. Step 3. Repeat the loop. Each small finished project makes the next one easier. You're not starting over. You're stacking skills. That's how people go from beginner to confident in months, not years. Look at your finished outcome, like the textured mug from step 2. Ask what worked, what to tweak. Note one fix like better seems next time. This takes 2 minutes and sharpens your eye fast. Build on the last one right away. After mug modeling, go add realistic lighting to that mug. Keep it small, One sentence and tied to your last skill. Do this daily for your Blender habit. Each loop double speed. First mug in 2 hours, next scene in 1. Skip perfection. Stack 10 to 20 outcomes in weeks. For product viz, this grows your portfolio quick without burnout. But here's the part that changes everything. If you don't manage how you practice, even a perfect plan will fail. And this is where most tutorials quietly ruin your progress. The practice rule no one teaches. Never watch a full tutorial in one sitting. Instead, watch 2 to 5 minutes. Pause. Do it yourself. Break it. Fix it. That struggle? That's learning happening in real time. Watching without doing feels productive, but doesn't build skill. Let me tell you something honestly. Every good 3D artist you admire started exactly where you are. Confused, slow, overwhelmed. The difference? They kept finishing small things. Not perfect things. Finished things. If this helped you see 3D differently, hit subscribe. On this channel, I break down 3D, Blender, and creative workflows. Without the fluff, without the gatekeeping, and without the overwhelm. And in the next video, I'll show you the exact beginner project I'd start with today. If I had to relearn 3D from zero, you don't want to miss that.